Another one mga tol, isa na namang Gundam card game, dual impact at English version tayo, 12+1 GD02 for Asia English version. Yan, buksan na natin, huwag na natin patagalin. May natira. At start tayo kay Gundam Age 1 Titus. Then si Orga, Krot, and Shani. Si Geno Ace, Gundam, Raider Gundam. At si Shuji's Hideout, Olbas Frost, and si Turning Point History. Rick Diaz, si Rick Astley, Silas Light, Type Gun Cannon, at si Jared Mesa. At ayan, nakarare tayo na Bjarland and another Gundam Guardian Rebake. Nice one at isang resource. Okay. Nice, syempre tatabi na natin to mga tol. Nice.